Rock Computer College. Define quality training in information technology.
In this lesson, I'll show you how to do a double exposure effect on an image using these two images, and it's pretty simple. Now I'll turn this back on, then select come to the blending modes. We're going to work with blending modes in this lesson. So I'll select a lightening blending mode, so you can use one from this group. Now this will lighten it's a lighten blending mode. So I'll select either lighten or screen. So you select which one you want. Lighting is working very well for me, so I'll select that. Then I'll add a layer mask to this layer. With it selected, come and select the brush tool. And now I want to reveal some parts of this image, so make sure your foreground is black. So I'll press X on the keyboard to change it to black, then come here and kind of bring out the face a little bit. I want to hide the whole of the face. And as you can see up here, my opacity is at 50, so I'll work with the opacity at 50. I don't want you to hide the effect completely, but I want you to kind of blend with the face, but have the face showing a little bit. So just come here and brush a little bit over the face like that. Now as you can see, it has this cool effect on the face. You can still see the scene from behind, but it's not that shouting. Now that's how you create a double exposure effect in Photoshop in just 1 minute. And you can come here and hide some of the details. So I'll set the foreground up to black again, and just hide some of these parts over here. And leave it at that. So find your image, and there you have it. You have this cool double exposure effect, and it just took you 1 minute to do it. How cool is that?